Hello friend, welcome to the marketing management online lecture series. In that today we are going to discuss the new product development process. New product development process. New product development process is the process to bringing the new product to the world or in the market. New product development process consists the 8 point. First, idea generation. Second, screening of ideas. Third, concept development and testing. Fourth, marketing strategy. Fifth, business analysis. Sixth, product development. Seventh, test marketing. And last, commercialization. Now, the first point, idea generation. Idea generation is the most important point and first step of the new product development. Is gathering and evaluating new ideas to reach the potential product option. Idea generation is considered as an ongoing process for many companies, involving the assistance from internal and external sources of the organization. There are two types of sources where idea has been generated. One is internal sources, second is external sources. In the internal sources, research and development department is there, which is always working on the new product ideas. And second is their employees. Their employees know the problems in the product and they can find out and do the changes into the new product and give the ideas to the superior. Next point is the external sources. External sources should be consumer, competitor, distributor, supplier. They always customer is the main user of the product, can act as a very important source of the information for the companies. The idea of the customer is the useful for the changes or doing the new product. It is the useful for the company. Next, competitor. Competitor also do the changes in their product. According to that, company should change their product also, and which will be the idea for the company from the competitor. Same like the customer, distributor and supplier also give the suggestion in the product or they give the suggestion for the new idea or new product development. The next step is the idea screening. Idea screening step consider the various ideas come to their step from the step 1. From that, the best ideas or the ones which is selected for new product development use for the new product development. In that, company always looks possible profitability, good market potential, availability of production facility, availability of raw materials for such a product if selected, availability of finance, availability of managerial ability and uniqueness of the product. From that various ideas we screen that this point, according to this point, which is the best idea for the new product. Next step, concept development and testing. Once the marketer has finalized few ideas, he initiates towards the attainment of initial feedback from the customer, its employees and distributor. These ideas are then represented to the focus groups through storyboards, board presentation, etc. In the concept development, the following question can be used to turn a product idea into several concepts. Who would be the user of the product? When the customer would be use this product? How the customer would use the product? Identify the fundamental advantage of that product we provided to the customer. And in testing, this phase is product development process compromises of proposing the product concept and suitable target customer with a few to obtain their feedback and responses. With regards of this, a combined analysis is also done to estimate consumers' inclination or interest for the alternative concepts. During concept testing, the utility values are also derived with which the consumer associate with different levels of product characteristics. The next step is the marketing strategy development. In the marketing strategy development, primary marketing strategy plan is developed. A marketing strategy is used to launch a new product or idea in the market. For this, comprehensive plan is laid down, including the marketing mix strategy, segmentation, targeting, and positioning strategy with the expected sales and profit. The marketing plan can be categorized into three parts. First, the marketing strategy discusses the structure, behavior, and size of the market. The plan positioning of new product, estimated sales, market share, and profitability goals to be achieved in the initial years. Secondly, the strategy outlines the distribution strategy, plan price, and marketing budget for the first year. And third point, the plan defines the sales and profit in the long run and also in the marketing mix strategy for future. The next point is the business analysis. Once the company has decided upon the product concept and marketing strategy, management can evaluate the business attractiveness of the proposed in product. The fifth step in the new product development process involves a review of the sales, cost, and profit projection for the new product and to find out whether these products or factors satisfy the company's objectives. If they do, the product can be moved on the product development stage. If not, they according to the changes should be done and new product idea should be comes into the market. Next steps, product development. The new product development process goes on with the actual product development. Up to this point, for many new product concepts, there may exist only a word description, a drawing, or perhaps a rough prototype. But if the product concept passes the business test, it must be developed into the physical product to ensure that the product idea can be turned into the workable market offering. The problem is though this is at the stage R&D and engineering cost cause a huge jump in investment. The R&D department will develop the test one or more physical version of the product concept. Developing a successful prototype, however, can take days, weeks, months, or even years depending on the product and prototyping methods. Also, products often undergo tests to make sure they perform safely and effectively. This can be done by the firm itself or outsourced. In many cases, marketers involve actual customers in product testing. Consumers can evaluate, prototype, and work with pre-release product. Their experience may be very useful in the product development stage. Next step, test marketing. The last stage before commercialization is test marketing. In this stage of the new product development process, the product and its proposed marketing program are tested in realistic market. Therefore, test marketing gives the marketer experience with marketing the product before going to the great expenses of full introduction. In fact, it allows the company to test the product and its entire marketing program, including targeting and positioning strategy, advertising, distribution, packaging, etc., before the full investment is made. The amount of test marketing necessary varies with each new product, especially when introducing a new product that requires a large investment. When the risks are high or when the firm is not sure of the product, its marketing program, a significant amount of time may be spent on test marketing. Last step in the new product development process is the commercialization. Test marketing has given management the information needed to make the final decision, launch or do not launch the new product. The final stage of the new product development process, commercialization, it means nothing else than introducing a new product into the market. At this point, the highest costs are incurred. The company may need to build or rent a manufacturing facility. Large amount may be spent on advertising, sales promotion, on other marketing efforts in the first year. Introduction timing, for instance, if economy is down, it might be wise to wait until following years to launch the product. In introduction place, where to launch the new product, it should be known. In the closing words, I am going to say that new product development process is the most important focus is on creating superior customer value. The product can be a success in the market as you can imagine. Only very few products actually get the chance to become the success. I hope you understand the point. Thank you so much.